Morning students, today we are going to see exercise 10.3. Exercise 10.3, types of angles. Types of angles. Types of angles. Actually, we know that yesterday we have seen angles measured using protractor. Okay, protractor we need to use to measure the angles. Now in the types of angles, first type we are going to see about right angle. Right angle means it measures exactly 90 degree. It measures exactly 90 degree is called, it measures exactly 90 degree is called right angle. For example, the figure, it will come exactly the L shape. L shape it will come to you. Okay, when you are seeing your protractor, you will come to know the picture how it will come 90 degree, exactly the 90 degree picture. See your protractor now, see exactly it will come 90 degree. Okay, so you need to take a inner layer. When you are seeing a right side means you must use a inner layer. 0 degree, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 degree. So it measures exactly 90 degree. 90 degree, see the midpoint they kept. This is called the center point of your protractor. Okay, center point of your protractor. 0 degree, 0 to 0 degree, 0 to 0. Check here right to left. So 0 to 0 degree, it's called baseline. It is a baseline. Okay, two scales will be there. Layer also you can tell, scale also you can tell, children. Okay, one is inner layer, one more is outer layer. In your book it has given you one is inner scale, one more is outer scale. See, inner scale means right to left you need to see 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 up to 180 degree will be there. Okay, outer layer same, left to right will be there, 0 to 180 degree. Okay, so center point, baseline, inner scale, outer scale, these four parts will be there in your protractor. Okay, right angle means it measures exactly 90 degree, it's called right angle. Straight angle means, listen students, straight angle 0 to 180 degree. 0 to 180 degree, if it measures means it's called straight angle. See, straight line, it looks, you can see your protractor, it looks straight line. Okay, so 0 degree to 180 degree, 0 degree to 180 degree. So if it measures exactly 180 degree means it's called straight angle. Okay, straight angle. Next, we are going to see acute angle. It is acute angle. Okay, it is acute angle. A-C-U-T-E, acute. Okay, acute angle means it measures less than 90 degree. See this part. Either you can see this side also, either you can see this side also. It is less than 90 degree, less than 90 degree parts. 90 degree, 0 to 90, between 0 to 90, between outer scale you see 0 to 90. When you are seeing this side means you must see outer scale 0 to 90. When you are seeing right to left means you need to see inner scale 0 to 90. When you are seeing 0 to 90, in between the angle if it is coming means it is called acute angle. Okay, it measures exactly that between 0 to 90 degree. This is called acute. Between 0 to 90 degree. Okay, 0 to 90 degree between. The word you should keep it, children, between. Okay. Same thing. Next angle we are going to see obtuse. Obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means it should measure more than 90 degree. More than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. See, more than 90 but less than 180. Okay, like that also you can tell, or you can tell between 90 to 180 degree also you can tell. This is called obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Okay, it is called obtuse angle. So first is right angle, next straight angle, acute angle, obtuse angle. Now I am writing in the note, you see students, right angle, it measures exactly 90 degree. Next straight angle, it measures exactly 180 degree. Okay, for example, just it measures exactly 180 degree. This is one straight angle. Okay, between point will be there. This is 180 degree. Next, third one is acute angle. Acute angle is called, it measures between, okay, an angle that measures between 0 degree to 90 degree. Okay, it measures between 0 degree and 90 degree. 0 degree and 90 degree. This is called acute angle. Diagram, however it will come. This is like that, types all acute angle only. See, when you are drawing itself, you will come to know that the angle sharp edge, it will be very small. Acute angle. Figure also you can draw. Like this, types all acute angle. Angle itself, it is less than 90 degree. Okay, next obtuse angle. Obtuse angle, it measures between 90 degree and 180 degree. Obtuse angle, it measures between 90 degree and 180 degree. It is called obtuse angle. It measures between 90 degree and 180 degree. The diagram will come to for you. It should come little broader, more than 90 degree. Okay, however will come. You can draw this side also, this side also. When your angle place, if you are seeing itself, it will look little broad. If it is like that, it is called obtuse angle. Okay, so today we have seen right angle, straight angle, acute angle and obtuse angle. This is the 4 types of angles has been given to you. Okay, children, and complete exercise 10.3 from your book. Okay, page number 171, exercise 10.3 you can complete in your book. Okay, thank you students.